Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are recycling roll-on bottles to make robots. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some roll-on robots. I'm going to leave a link for the tiny little LED lights that we used for our robots. Think twice before you throw anything away. You can always turn it into something else. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.